today in MakeCode Minute, I wanted to talk about using an arcade joystick with the Circuit Playground Express inside of MakeCode. So what I'm talking about here, let me demo it first. I have a Circuit Playground Express, and I've got it in our little case there. And then this is a typical arcade joystick, which is made using 4 limit switches. So this is what you'll find in most arcade cabinets. And check this out. If I, oh, I've got it backwards. Try it that way. So depending on the direction that I push it, I've got lights lighting up, and I've also got 4 little tones beeping. And so the way I'm doing this inside of MakeCode is that first on start, I'm setting 4 of the pins that array around the Circuit Playground Express to be using the internal pull resistors. So the setting pull pin to pull up type resistors on pins 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then I'm setting the neopixels to be not so bright and sort of a lavender. And now this is the bulk of what's happening is I have this big if-then or if-else statement. And it's 4 copies of basically the same thing, which is to say, if it is reading one of these pins, and since we're setting them high with the pull-up resistor, when a pin reads low, it means that it's been activated. So if we're not getting a signal on that pin, it's actually when it's been pressed, then we're going to change the LED pattern on the neopixels, and we're going to play a tone. And so you can see on pin 1, it points up. On pin 4, it points down, 2 left, and 3 right. And that is all there is to it. So once again, you can see and down. And so we're able to use the 4 pins, unlike an analog joystick. It's a very simple type of construction. It's the same as using 4 buttons. And that is how you can use an arcade joystick with the Circuit Playground Express inside of MakeCode.